Alright, so today's plan is to finish up the bathroom here. I have to take the toilet out to paint behind it. I also have to paint around the shower. I have to cut the curtain rod down so that it'll actually fit where it's supposed to. And I also have to put some trim back there. But the first step is getting this toilet out. Alright, so the painting's done. I might have to do another coat up there, we'll see. But while that's drying, I'll take care of the shower rod. Alright, so the smallest that my shower rod goes is 48 inches, and from tile to tile there, it's like 46 inches. So what I'm going to do is just cut 2 inches off of each side of it, and that way it should fit. Alright, so I trimmed down the shower rod. I probably could have taken another inch or two off of it, but it's fine. It's in there, it's secure. And I think now the paint is probably dry enough that I can put in the baseboard. I don't really have anything to nail into back here. I'm lucky because I actually have some construction adhesive. I didn't think I had any left. So now the nails that I put in there should hold everything in place until the glue dries. I don't like to reuse the old wax ring. Whenever I take off a toilet and put it back on, I always put a new wax ring on there. Alright, normally it's easier to put this on the bottom of the toilet rather than try to put it on the floor and then line the toilet up with it, but my toilet's full of water still, so I'm not flipping it upside down. I was about to put the toilet back, and then I remembered that I have to put this back first. And then of course I dropped the damn screw. Why is it that when you drop the screw it like vanishes, completely disappears off the face of the earth? Anyway, I have the spare screw, hopefully it's the right size. when you're tightening these bolts, be careful not to over tighten them. You can actually break the bowl. You can break the toilet. Alright, the toilet's back in and there's no leaks. And it's good because I need somewhere to put my camera for the next shot. Alright, so I'm going to stop here today. I wanted to get the trim painted, but I just don't feel like doing it, so it'll have to wait for another day. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.